Let's work on the next lesson, add and subtract, how to make a number. So they ask us, how do you make 4? So let's see which of these expressions would make 4. So I see 5 minus 1. So we could draw a picture for that. We could draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and take one of them away. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, that made 4. That's what they asked us. So this one is most likely the answer, but we should check all the others to make sure. 5 plus 0. Well, if I have 5 and I add nothing or 0 to it, I will still have 5. Here I have 2 minus 0. So if I have 2 and I take nothing away from it, I will still have 2. And here we have 5 plus 2. So let's try that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 1, 2. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is too much. And I guess I could have known by looking at this first addend and seeing that it is already greater than this number. So we are not going to get 4 because that number is smaller and we are adding. So this number is only going to get bigger. All right, so we did find the answer over here. 5 minus 1 is how we can make 4. Next, it asks, how do you make 1? Well, if I have 4 and I take nothing away from it, I know that I will still have 4. If I have 2 and I add nothing to it, I will still just have 2. If I have 2 and I add 4 to it, it is going to be much larger or greater than 2. But I know that 1 is less than 2. So this is going to be way too much. If I have 2 and I take away 1, let's see what I would have. 1, 2, and then I take away one of them. 1. And that's what we were looking for, so that is our option. All right, how do you make 1? If I draw 2 dots and I add none or 0 to them, I will still only have 2. If I draw 2 dots and I subtract 1, I'm going to take 1 away. I will have 1 left. Hey, that's what we're looking for is 1. Let's make sure the others do not work. Here I have 2, 1, 2, plus 3. 1, 2, 3. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is too much. Here I have 3, and I take away or subtract nothing from it. So I still have 3. So how do we make 1? 2 minus 1. All right, how do we make 1? 3 plus 4? Well, if I have 3 dots and I add 4 more, it's definitely going to be more than 1, so it is not this. If I have 3 and I add nothing to it, it will still be 3. If I have 3, 1, 2, 3, and I take 2 of them away, because 3 minus 2, here's 3 and we took away 2, we will have 1 left. And if I have 4 and I take nothing away from it, I will still just have 4. So how did we make 1? 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. How do you make 6? Well, let's see. 5 plus 1. Let's try that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, plus 1 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's how we make 6. Let's try this one. 5 minus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take away 1, 2, 3. 2. All right, I guess I should have known because if I'm starting with a number that's less than 6 and then I'm taking more away, it's still going to be a lot less than 6, so it wouldn't be this one. What about 3 plus 2? 1, 2, 3, plus 1, 2. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nope, too small. What about 5 minus 2? Same thing as over here. 5 minus 3. If we're starting with a number that's smaller than 6 already, and then we're taking more away from that, it's still going to be a lot smaller than 6. So this is not the right option. So how did we make 6? 5 plus 1. Now they want to know how to make 8. This says 5 plus 3. Let's try that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 1, 2, 3. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We made 8. Great. Let's check the other ones. 5 minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minus 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, that's definitely less than 8. That is 1. All right, if we have 5 and we take away 1, it's going to be 1 less than 5. What is the number right before 5? Yes, 4. So still much too small. All right, now if we have 1 plus 4, it's going to be 1 more than 4. What is the next number after 4? Yes, 5. Again, too small. So 5 plus 3 is the one that is equal to 8. Now they want to know how to make 5. If we have 4 and we take nothing away from it, we will still have 4. If we have 4 and we take 2 away, let's see what that will be. 1, 2, 3, 4, and now we're going to take 2 away. 1, 2. I have 1, 2 left. Nope, too small. We're looking for 5. What if I have 2 and I add nothing? Yeah, 2. Adding 0 means this number will just stay the same. Here we have 4 plus 1. So if I have 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I add 1 more, how much is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the number we were looking for. Great. Okay, how do you make 7? I'm going to look for the ones that I know I can figure out quickly. 0 plus 4. Well, if I'm adding nothing to 4, it will just be 4, so that's not it. If I have 5 and I take nothing away, I know it'll still be 5, so that's not it. And if I have 5 and I take away 4 of them, it's definitely going to be less than 5, which is already less than 7, so I know that's not it. Now if I have 5 plus 2, let's try that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That one's correct. All right, how do you make 8? Again, let's look for our ones that are easy to rule out. 0 plus 1. I know that's just going to be 1 because if you add 0 to any number, that number will just stay the same. So it's just 1. So it's not that one. 3 minus 0, so if you take away 0 from any number, that number will just stay the same. So that is 3. Not that one. Let's check this one. 3 plus 5. 1, 2, 3 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey, that's 8. That looks like the one that we need. Let's just check this one. 3 minus 1. Already looks too small. 1, 2, 3. We take away 1. Yeah, there's only 2. That's definitely not enough. So we found our answer. Okay, how do you make 5? 3 minus 1? Well, I know that's already going to be less than 3, which is already less than 5. Let's see what 3 minus 1 is. 1, 2, 3 minus 1. Just 2. That's not it. 3 plus 2. 1, 2, 3 plus 2 more. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. All right, that's how we make 5. Let's check the others. 3 minus nothing will just be 3. That's not it. 0 plus 1 will just be 1. That's not it. So our answer is 3 plus 2. Thanks for your help, friends. You did great today.